Are you ready? Blue Lights, are you ready? Countdown, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, starting off here with this autonomous period. 1, 2, 8, 3, 5 with that long arm that they've got here. Look at that bright green string on that slide. Scoring as fast as they can into that shipping hub. Blue Alliance scoring into the shipping hub as well. Unfortunately, Almond Robotics, during this autonomous, it's a bit of a game of chance here as their autonomous are slightly interfering with the other part of the Blue Alliance. Again, all these robots are pre-programmed, which means that there's going to be a lot of, sometimes they're going to try and grab shipping elements and not be able to get them.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
But now that we've entered the driver-controlled period, they should have no such problems. Unfortunately, a little bit of an issue with the Almond Robotics robot trying to get working again. Hopefully, it should be just a quick fix for their team, and they'll be able to get moving in the drive-control period because the Red Alliance is moving as fast as they can, scoring into the top of that shipping hub, 1, 2, 8, 3, 5, getting yet another block in the top of that shipping hub. Now that Almond Robotics is back on track, they can start scoring in that shipping hub as well because they need to catch up a little bit. We've got a bit of a lead for the Blue Alliance. However, fortunately, that has given them a little bit of room now with Almond Robotics able to score and continue holding on to that lead because that lead was rapidly closing during the scoring period. Red Alliance scoring in here, and of course we cannot neglect the fact that 19068 Abzotech is scoring in that shared shipping hub in the middle. If they can keep that tilt on their side, then it's going to get them some bonus points in the end game, but it looks like 4174 is trying to score in the shared shipping hub as well. We've got these robots here scoring as fast as they can. Almond Robotics out here scoring a little bit. It looks like they've got a bit of a spring mechanism in their robot that functions as a bit of a suspension. That's something that we've been seeing a lot of today from various robots is these suspensions that allow them to traverse easier around and over these PVC pipe barriers. Even if this robot, Almond Robotics here, is a thin robot, they can do it both. They can both go over the PVC and they can sneak through that little gap right there. All these other robots are also capable of sneaking through that gap as well. And we've got, now that we're nearing the end game, we've got the robot Pixelated getting ready to cap on top with their team shipping element there, scoring, and now activating the carousel right alongside the Blue Alliance, getting their carousel activated and scoring, trying to get their team shipping element using that long measuring tape, rotating that up, trying to aim and score with only 13 seconds left in the game. It's going to be a slow score. Oh no, they lost their team shipping element. Unfortunately, that means they're not going to be able to score that. They're going to have to go back to making sure all those ducks are off their carousel successfully with 2, 1, 0. End of the game with a lead on the Red Alliance of about 50 points, 60 points. As we're finishing up that scoring, it's going to be potentially a close game based off of penalties. We'll have to see what the refs say and confirm all of those final scores. All in all, we love to see above 200 on these scores for these teams. Great work, everyone.